This is how cleaning with alcohol feels like. You spray some alcohol, wipe bacteria with it, and boom, there's scraps from nothing. But what does it do? Alcohol kills bacteria by disrupting the chemical structure of their components. The most commonly used type of alcohol is ethanol, usually found in hand sanitizers. Its hydrophobic and hydrophilic ends enable modifying chemical bonds, changing the molecular structure of components. But how does ethanol break down bacteria?
Let's say this is the cell membrane of the bacteria.
Ethanol first approaches near the cell membrane of bacteria, also made of hydrophobic and hydrophilic ends. Ethanol uses a hydroxyl group, or
This brick part of the brick separator.
to make a new hydrogen bond with hydrophilic ends of the membrane and pull them out to create a new gap.
Now that there's a big hole, more ethanol molecules can enter to the cytoplasm of the bacteria to break more components.
Now that ethanol entered through the membrane, its next destination is the protein. Ethanol would dive deep into the secondary structure, the bent arrangement of amino acids within the chain, right here. This bond is part of the active site of an enzyme called GAPDH, which is essential for DNA repairs of bacteria. Ethanol uses its hydroxyl end to make new hydrogen bonds between hydroxyl groups, each from tyrosine and aspartic acid, and breaks previously present hydrogen bonds with its carbon chain. The result is a gap within the chain, causing its original shape to shift, as well as those of tertiary and quaternary structures, making the entire protein non-functional.
Even with this complicated Lego dome, just a few pops with this brick separator turns this dome into what's not a dome. Well, now it's just a pile of bricks. Oh yeah, one more thing.
Alcohol can keep your hands clean after touching some Legos.